Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with TradeStation for order status alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log in to your TradeStation account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account section on the main menu. In the account menu, look for the alerts option and click on it. You will see a list of available alerts. Identify the order status alerts option from the list. Click on the Order Status Alerts to access its settings. In the Settings menu, choose your preferred alert type. You can select alerts for filled orders, pending orders, or cancelled orders. Next, specify how you wish to receive the alerts. You can opt for email notifications, text messages, or both. After selecting your preferences, enter the required contact details. If you chose email alerts, ensure your email address is correct. For text messages, provide the appropriate phone number. Once you have filled in all the required fields, review your selections. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid missing important updates. After confirming your preferences, click on the Save button to activate your alerts. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your order status alerts are now set up. To test your alerts, consider placing a small order. Monitor your email or phone for the alert notifications based on your settings. If you do not receive the alert, double-check your settings to ensure they are correct. Now you are all set to receive order status alerts with TradeStation. This will help you stay informed about the status of your trades in real time. Enjoy your trading experience with the added convenience of alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.